student, myself Anupriya Singh Suman, Assistant Professor in CSE, SIRT Bhopal. Today we are discuss about introduction of JavaScript DOM. DOM is a document object model. So our outline is DOM, document object model, the HTML DOM tree of objects, the DOM examples, manipulation using DOM. So DOM is a document object model. When a web page is loaded in browser, create a document object model of the page. Every web page resides inside browser window, which can be consist and as an object, and object document represent the HTML document that is displayed in the windows. The document object model has various property that refers to other object which allows the document content. That is a domain part of object to object model. The way of document content the access the modifier is called the document object model or DOM. The objects are organized in a hierarchy form. Hierarchy architecture is the structure applied to the organize of objects in the web document. So this is our hierarchical format of DOM, the HTML DOM tree of object. First of all, we start with document, then next root node is the HTML, then sub roots and subchilds is header, head and body. Then head section implement the titles, my titles, then body section are implement the different type of elements and different type of attributes with different text. Text is my link, my headers, like this. With this object model, JavaScript get all the power need to be create dynamic HTML. So first of all, JavaScript can be change of all HTML elements in the page. Then JavaScript can change all the HTML attributes in the page. JavaScript can change all the CSS style in the page. Then JavaScript can remove existing HTML elements and attributes. Then JavaScript can add a new HTML elements and attributes. JavaScript can react to all existing HTML events in the page. JavaScript can create new HTML event in the page. So this is our example with DOM. We can start with document object model. So document type is HTML, then we can start with HTML and body section start, then we declare the paragraph is P, the full URL is the document, and span ID domain, DOM, span, then P close, then script. We can start with script document dot get element by ID DOM, then inner HTML is equal to HTML document.url with script close and HTML body close and HTML close. This is our output. The next example is in inner HTML with document modified with scripting. So also we can start HTML body section paragraph script is document.get element by ID dom.html inner HTML is equal to document.last modified. So script is script close, body section close, HTML close. Then this is our output. Manipulation using DOM. Then next topic is manipulation is DOM. As a web developer, you frequently need to manipulate to DOM the object model that is used by browser to specify the logical structure of web pages, and based on the structure to react HTML element on the screen. HTML defines the default DOM structure. However, in many cases you can want to manipulate this with JavaScript, usually in order to add extra functionality to the site. This is our hierarchical format of HTML and with help to DOM. So HTML is a root node and sub part is header, body, then body declare the metadata, then also header declare the links, then body declare the paragraph, span, div. In this post you will find the list of 15 basic JavaScript in the DOM. Thank you.